What is going on, everybody? It's Haze Carlson coming back at you over at Floyd's RV in beautiful Norman, Oklahoma. And today, I'm out here by the highway, so it's super loud. Forgive me. But, you know, I gotta give you the hottest, freshest RV content out there. We just got this thing in. This is the 2021 STARCRAFT SUPERLITE 242RL, guys. This does have the thermal package, so this is extended season. This thing is super cool. Really like the STARCRAFT floor plans. I'm going to show you guys all about this thing, some things that I like, why I think that these are a good deal, and we'll go from there, man. If you haven't already, join my camping family and hit that subscribe button, and drop me a comment. I always love hearing some feedback from all of my people out there, and go ahead and give my video a like so I can spread this out to more campers just like yourself. But guys, just like that, let's get into it. So again, we are talking about the 242RL SUPERLITE with that thermal package. So we have that heated enclosed underbelly underneath. We do have the solid steps by Lippert components. We also have this nice extended handle that we can move around too. Awesome stuff. We of course have the screen door on here. Now guys, cool thing about this, guys, we are already wired up, ready to go for a router, Wi-Fi extender, and optional 4G LTE connectivity with RV Link, guys. So we can stay connected in this thing if you want to set up your mobile office in here. I know I have a lot of customers who are doing that, but that is something that we can do with this guy. Now here in the pass-through, big time pass-through storage, we're gonna have our water hose as well as our power cord. Now guys, we are already ready to go for that portable solar charging kit that will put out 10 amps and link up to this guy right here. You know, we've got the magnet doors, which I love oh so much. Beautiful stuff. Over here in the front, we have this awesome fiberglass molded front cap, STARCRAFT SUPERLITE. Awesome stuff, guys. Now we have two 30-pound propane tanks right underneath this bad boy. Let me show you that, because most travel trailers out there are going to give you two 20-pound propane tanks. STARCRAFT says no siree, 30. That's right. Now we've got an electronic LCI power tongue jack. We also have our battery tray down there, some of our cables, our breakaway switch, some nice LED strips here in our front cap, as well as our docking light switch. Now here we're going to be able to crank up and down our stabilizer jacks. We also have the handle for that water hose that's over there on the other side. Awesome stuff. Let's talk about some weights. Let's talk about some weights. Over here, guys, GVWR on this unit is 7,000 pounds, and we have 1,400 pounds worth of wiggle room in there. So, not too heavy, not too bad. Now over here, we're gonna have our holding tanks. We have our black and gray handles there, and our chute where all that stuff is gonna come out. We do have Dexter Easy Lube axles on this guy. Shout out to Dexter, made right here in beautiful Oklahoma, just down the road in El Reno. We have our Dometic furnace over there. We do have the windows open in this guy because it is hot. Holy crap, it's hot today. Now in our docking station, this is where we'll have our outdoor shower, our tank fill and city water valve, our city water connection, and our tank flush. Awesome stuff. Now guys, this is a 30 amp service unit. Now over here we do have the hollow bumper so we can stick that sewer hose in there. Nice spare tire. Furion Vision S observation backup camera ready. Let's hop up on the roof. All right, now we're back up here on top of the roof. Now, the reason why I'm up here is to tell you guys that this roof that I'm standing on has a 15-year warranty on it. This is a PVC roof. Now up here we have the Furion AC unit. Now this guy is a 15K AC unit. 15K, that's right. So we're going to have some vents here. We're also going to have our skylight in the shower and our bathroom fan. Now here is that antenna that we talked about just a minute ago. So this guy is going to be your Wi-Fi extender, all of that good stuff. And we can get set up for 4G, all that other beautiful stuff. But man, we're up here. I'll see you back downstairs. And we're back down to earth. All right, so earlier I said that we got that bumper that is nice and hollow so we can put our sewer hose in. Now back here, we're also going to have a propane quick connect, baby. So with this guy, we can plug that dude in and get to cooking on your griddle, on your grill, on your smoker, on any of that kind of stuff, man. We got it. Now moving over here, we have a nice little storage cubby there. That would be perfect to put that little grill in. Then you can set it over here to the side and plug that propane cord up there, and man, we're cooking with gas, literally. Now we do have our spray port that does have a quick connect hose. That way we can use that. Now that is going to be one temperature and one temperature only. If we want hot and cold, we got to go back over there to that docking station to get hot and cold. Now we've got this awesome Solera awning. One thing I like about this is that it's got the speakers built into it. So that's just 2 less holes that are going to be in the side of your camper. So you already have those speakers that are in your awning. We have a nice LED strip. You can see that guy right there. LED strip in that bad boy. Hot water heater, back of our refrigerator. A couple of GFCI outlets right here too. And again, Dexter Easy Lube axles. Awesome stuff, guys. That's just about everything on the outside. Drop me a comment, let me know what you like about this thing so far, and let's take it in. Let's go. Now, like I said, guys, I do have these windows open because, oh my gosh, it's about 100 degrees here in Oklahoma today. So pardon the noise, but man, what do you think about this thing? I gotta say, I'm a fan, especially if you guys are a small couple just looking to get into camping. This would be a perfect starter. So starting here right next to the door, let's look at this pantry. In here, we are going to have a bunch of room. Look at all that. 3 shelves with a ton of room. Same thing here on the bottom. 2 shelves with a bunch of room. Now coming in through here, then we're going to have our awesome Norcold gas and electric refrigerator. Now with this guy, we have 2 doors, one here for the fridge, and then the one up top for our freezer. And guys, like I said, this is gas and electric right there. Cool stuff. High point microwave. And this is just a regular microwave. We have our light and fan. That way we can get any unwanted odors out of here if you're starting to burn the place down. We've got this awesome glass cover for the 3-burner Furrion gas stove with a little tiny oven underneath. Now underneath that is going to be our breaker panel and fuse box, as well as our CO2 and LP detector. Now with these windows, look at that, man. We still have the screen. We're getting awesome ventilation in here, so I'm not dying of a heat stroke. Look at all of this counter space. Like, are you serious? This is huge. Huge counter space in this bad boy. Now with our sink, we have a stainless steel sink, nice and big. Now this guy does remove, and we got a couple different spray modes there. Now guys, that stuff dripping out of there is winterized fluid. That is that pink antifreeze. Now in here, plenty of space with all of these drawers. Bunch of cabinet space underneath. And then I really do like this little cubby hole here. You put all kinds of spices and canned goods and things like that. But man, this you have all kinds of counter space. Solid stuff too. Now up above, we're gonna have some more cabinet space. Now, one thing that I want you guys to notice, here in the kitchen, we have this kind of tan look to our cabinets, but then we turn over here and then we have this really dark brown look. Now that is gonna give us awesome separation, letting you know what's for the kitchen and what is not. I really like that. It's the little things that get me going. Now in here we have got a ton of storage. 3 drawers, excuse me, 3 cabinets with a bunch of space, I say. Over here, a couple 3-prong outlets, a little bit of storage space over there. Now this couch right here is a sleeper couch. Let me see if I could show that to you guys. Might be able to. Might have to cut this out of the video, but we might not, because it might just be successful. Looky there. All right, cool. Got you guys set up now. So the only thing we got to do is just take these guys off, toss them over to the side, pop this guy up, fold out your legs, fold that guy down, fold this bad boy down, and then bang! We're set up. Now we got another sleeping space. We can lay back, get those pillows going, watch the TV, have this beautiful breeze going. What more could you ask for? Awesome. And putting it up is just as easy. Yank that guy back up there. Fold those dudes down and then put our pillows back. And just like that, bingo, bango, bongo, Bob's your uncle. Boom, shaloom. Oh, and you guys fell over, couldn't see me. Sorry about that, but we've got our pull-out couch. Now over here, we've got our 4-person dinette. I love that we have all of these windows around here too, so we can open all of these up and have a beautiful breeze coming all the way across. Now, of course, this guy is going to switch over into another sleeping space, and we do have some hidden storage underneath those seats. Beautiful, I say. Same thing over here. We are going to have that hidden storage right underneath this guy. Plenty of space to put all of your camping necessities. Now, one thing that I do like about this guy is that we have these flush floors. So, we're not going to have a huge dip. Right? I really like that. We don't have that big lip that you can get your toe caught on, that you want to cuss, and oh, man, that's just no fun. Check out this TV, man. Now with this TV, it has a built-in sound bar. So this is doubling as your TV as well as your interior sound bar. So we can hook up to Bluetooth, to your CD, all of that kind of stuff to play music through there without actually watching TV, which I think is really cool. Now this guy is on a mount back here that we can take it off and swivel it around to get that perfect viewing angle that you want. All right, y'all, let's go over to the bathroom and see what's going on in here. Man, look at this curved shower. This is too cool. Nice big curved shower with that skylight up above. We also have our attic fan right there. Over here, we're gonna have our sink, as well as a medicine cabinet with a mirror. And back behind that, we've got more storage. Nice clicky lights, a couple GFCI outlets there, and our foot flush commode, and then our door to the bedroom, to the master bedroom. Now we do have this emergency exit. That way, if anything happens, the only thing that we would need to do from here is yank this little red clip there. That screen's gonna come off, and then we can hop out to get to safety. Now in your bedroom, we are backed for a TV mount. So we can get that TV bracket over here, plug it up with these outlets, plug in your cable. That way we can have entertainment in the bedroom too. Now over on this side of the bed, you have this awesome drawer, bunch of counter space, couple GFCI outlets back there, bunch of room in your little pocket closet, bunch of overhead storage as well. All kinds of room. A couple more outlets, couple USB ports there too. This drawer. Now one thing that I love about these STARCRAFTs is that you get this block. Now what this guy is a secret passage to your pass-through storage. So if you guys have your laundry hamper down there, you just open this thing up, shove your clothes in there, no big deal. Or if you have a cooler down there or you want some cold refreshments, only thing you gotta do is pop that dude off, stick your hand in there, grab yourself a cold drink, and you're good to go. Now underneath the bed, we are on air shocks, and then we are going to have drawers over on this side. We have two of them where you can see the exposed top of them. So we do have two drawers on this side, hollow space here in the middle. This is the perfect place for my dog to sleep. If you guys are taking your dog or your cat with you, this is the perfect little nook for him. Now over here we are going to have some open storage, two cubby holes for some more storage to put all your stuff. All right. Now we are ducted AC. We are ducted all the way throughout, and this thing does have LEDs all the way around with the nice accordion style blackout shades. Really do love this thing, guys. And if you do too, then goodness, let me know. I'd love to make you a smoking deal on this thing, guys. I work really hard to make these videos for you. And if you've made it this far and you're not subscribed yet, what are you doing? Help a brother out. Go ahead and hit that button, hit like, drop me a comment, share the video, all that mumbo jumbo, you know the drill. But, like I said, if you can see yourself in this thing, whew, sweating, let me know. I'm gonna have my phone number, my email, my Facebook page, my inventory website, as well as a link to STARCRAFT's website so you can learn more about this floor plan and all the other cool floor plans that they have. But guys, I'm about to get out of here and go film another video for you. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll catch you on the next one. See you later.